Hello, I'm Captain Stacy Spell of Media Relations Division of the Los Angeles Police Department. And I'm going to give you a brief overview of an incident that occurred on October 17th, 2020, around 11:30 p.m. Southwest Division officers were driving northbound on Budlong Avenue from Jefferson Boulevard when they saw a shooting in progress. In the surveillance footage you're about to see, two suspects can be seen shooting at a man who had just parked and exited his vehicle. When police arrive, one of the suspects points his gun at the officers, at which time the officers fired at the suspects. Here's surveillance footage from the area.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Officer needs help. Jefferson and Budlong. 41. Hey! Hey! Stop right there! Stop right there! Get over here! Get over here against the wall! Get over here!
You seen they shot at us?
Yeah.
You seen that?
They shot at us,
They
man.
shot at us. Y'all seen that?
You know. Hey!
Get them!
Hey! Let's go for the car!
Go get their ass! Leave us alone!
They shot at us, man.
Hey! We got some guys running over here!
All units, something is help Jefferson Budlong.
Lord!
Help Jefferson and Budlong. Any unit coming on help this emergency.
Adam 41, be advised, we got two male blacks running southbound Budlong from Jefferson. Hey! We got one over there!
Correction, Budlong from Jefferson.
Stay right there!
Get an RA for no black. He's gonna be wearing a red hood sweatshirt. Blue jeans, mid-block.
Damn.
Jefferson and Budlong.
I'm good.
You good? Where you hit?
I ain't hit. I think he hit down there. I think he hit.
Okay.
341, are you requesting for an RA or perimeter?
It's gonna be both, man. Shots fired, officers involved shooting.
Damn.
Right on the RA.
Now you seen they shot at us?
I know.
Here.
What?
God damn.
Hey, hey!
I got my light.
Units overhead.
Jefferson, my first name, Vermont Jefferson.
There's two guys, yeah. Be advised, it's gonna be a silver Chevy Malibu. It's gonna have gunshots to the windshield. There's gonna be a driver and passenger in the vehicle, two male blacks. Vehicle fled southbound Budlong towards Jefferson.
Suspect vehicle has gunshots to the windshield.
Hey, whose is this? Everybody get over here.
That was the guy with that red hooded sweatshirt.
He's over here. I'm gonna go. Let me go get him. Let me go get him.
Go ahead, Adam 41.
Hey,
Roger, we got you there.
come over here.
I'm good.
Come over here.
That's my car right here. That's my car.
Okay.
They shot at me. I seen him on 27, bro.
Whose gun was that over there? On the ground.
Oh, stop. My car right here, man. Ah!
on the south and all the way up to Vermont. We're going to have a Budlong, Walton, and Jefferson.
Hey, just have a seat over here.
As well.
Hey, Sid, can you go next block?
Keep checking the vehicle.
Hey, bro, where'd you
Where
get
you
hit?
hit? Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. You have anything else on you?
Fuck. I just got my money, bro.
Yeah, just don't look. Hey.
Shot him hit. Blood almost hit me in the head, bro. Blood almost hit me in the head.
I need you going west. And start taking out perimeter spots.
Hey, they're gonna have to check the hospitals for any people shot, because I probably got. There was two guys. One, he pointed at me. I saw a fucking gun. I saw him shoot. I fucking shot. Fuck. Yeah. I thought he was shooting.
Stay on the ground! Get off the ground! Get on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground now! We're gonna have a male black. He's gonna be running northbound Jefferson, black hoodie, red sweatpants. Get on the ground.
All units, officer needs help. All units, officer needs help. Northbound Jefferson. Officer needs help. Northbound Jefferson. Any area unit coming into southwest frequency.
It's gonna be Jefferson and Budlong.
Okay.
All right, don't say.
All units, officer needs help. Jefferson, Budlong. Officer needs help. Jefferson
Okay, stay
and
over there.
Budlong. Any area unit coming on southwest frequency.
Title 41, be advised, you got two male blacks running southbound Budlong from Jefferson.
Officer, you okay?
Southbound from Jefferson.
Hey,
Correction,
come here, bro.
Budlong
Get over here.
Jefferson.
Hey, get over here. Get over here. Hey, don't grab the gun. Stay in there. We're gonna have an article in custody. Let me get an RA for a male black. He's gonna be wearing a red hood sweatshirt, blue jeans, mid-block. Jefferson and Budlong.
Primer.
I thought they were shooting at us.
Air 3's going to be over here. Primary unit to be your way.
Hey, where's your light? I have my light.
Let me get units to start blocking off Vermont. Vermont and Jefferson.
Hey,
My first
what's
time, Vermont,
the
Jefferson,
Malibu,
primary
right?
unit. Air 3 can be your way.
Yeah, advised, it's gonna be a
Chevrolet
silver
Malibu.
Chevy Malibu. It's gonna have gunshots to the windshield. It's gonna be a driver and passenger in the vehicle, two male blacks.
You guys okay? You guys okay? We already got an RA for the guy. Where's he at? He's over there? We just don't want to get the gun. Hey, who was the guy with the gun? We saw him running, dude. I get it, sir.
Let me have the frequency. Hold the frequency.
Look at that.
Primary unit, come up from here. Give me your location.
Whose gun is that?
Get over here.
That was the guy with that red hooded sweatshirt.
Over here.
And that black hooded sweatshirt. He has a gunshot.
Primary unit, come off for Air 3.
Go ahead, Adam 41.
Roger, I got you there. You and your partner are accounted for, sir.
Roger. There's an outstanding suspect. He was going westbound from Budlong. He was wearing a black hooded sweatshirt with, I believe it was red jeans. And we're gonna have it's gonna be a victim down as of now. He's gonna be a gunshot wound to the leg. Let me get an RA over here.
And Jefferson, Budlong, Walton, and Catalina as well.
Hey, sir. Can you go next block?
The vehicle, can you check if it's a vehicle?
Hey, you okay, bro? Where'd you get hit?
I don't know, I'm good.
The gun's right here. I got it
And
here.
Air 3, I'm also going to need Normandy blocked off. I'm going to get units on Normandy. They're blocking off Normandy. Let's cordon off all these streets, guys. Okay, units, I don't need you where that vehicle's at. I need you going west. You have to start taking out perimeter spots.
Yeah.
And nobody else is needed at the point of the termination. The officers are accounted for. Let me get units to start responding to Normandy.
I know, and that's what I shot.
The south side of the river is going to be 36 plates. Jefferson to the north. Normandy to the west.
Are you okay? Where you hit, bro?
And Vermont over toward the east.
Where you hit? Where you hit, buddy? You good? Let me see. Where you hit, bro? Where do you feel it? In the back or what? On your hip?
I'm good.
Let me see.
I'm good.
The vehicle has TC'd. It appears that it's on a Budlong and left at a cross. Somebody can call that cross for a vehicle TC.
You're good, okay?
Cross.
Hey, where's your buddy with the black hoodie sweatshirt, dude? Where's your buddy that took off, bro?
I just pulled up, bro.
It could be a Normandy or corrective.
Yeah, where's your buddy with the black hoodie sweatshirt, bro?
I swear to God, I just pulled up, bro. I swear to God, man. Bro, I was running for my fucking life.
Vehicle TC on Normandy and 35th.
Hey, sir. I've got units already posted on that vehicle. And let me get one unit to respond to where the primary is at. They're going to be on Jefferson and Budlong. On Budlong, just north of Jeff. Let me get one unit to respond with the primary.
And,
Aaron is requesting one additional unit on Jefferson Budlong to be with the primary unit.
X-25, we're responding to primary. Only one unit with the primary. X-25, respond to the primary. Everybody else start taking a perimeter position. And,
where are you hit, bro?
If you can give me,
are you hit? You feel anything?
10 units to respond from outside the
He chased me down,
southwest.
Who chased you down?
Whoever was fucking running after me,
Aaron,
the car that pulled up right here. When
Yeah, I
pulled,
saw that.
I pulled up
D4 was
first,
the
man. That
primary.
was it. I ain't got no guns or nothing, bro.
Alright.
I ran that way. I didn't see
So
you.
the airco's right here? There was a shooting in progress. It was literally just right over there. Where do you need us? Alright, so there's a guy. He went northbound on Budlong, and then he hit westbound. He's wearing a black hooded sweatshirt, dude. He was the one with the revolver.
And the car TC'd, right?
The car TC, like a Chevrolet Malibu or something like that? Yeah.
Was anybody in it?
Our unit is requesting 10 outside
did put it
units
out.
to
It
Jefferson
didn't go
Budlong
through?
as help call. Requesting additional
It didn't
unit
go
on
through?
36 Please and Raymond.
Male black, slim build, black hooded sweatshirt, looked like he was wearing red jeans.
Normandy. They have an additional suspect running northbound Budlong and then westbound on the next street north of us. Male black, 5'10", slim build, black hoodie.
Only one of the suspects was able to get into the vehicle. The second suspect ran after a victim on Budlong Avenue. The suspect vehicle fled south on Budlong Avenue and collided with a pole at Budlong Avenue and 35th Street. After the collision, the suspects fled on foot. A large perimeter was established to search for the suspects. One suspect was detained by officers when he attempted to leave the perimeter. Brandon Maxwell had minor injuries, and he was the registered owner of the suspect vehicle.
So I'm on the ground.
Anybody moves, you will get shot. Right that fucking tilted.
3 Frank 74. It's going to be a white Nissan we have there. It's the description of the bullet suspect. White shirt, white sleeves.
You, back up!
Back up!
Back off right now!
Hey, partner. Hey, bro. Don't move. Do not move.
Give me your leg.
Hey, listen to me very carefully, okay? We want you to get out of the situation, okay? But I need you to listen to me. I want you to come out of this. We don't want to shoot nobody, but I'm letting you know right now the severity of this call. If you're a victim, we're going to determine that. But we need you to cooperate. Do not reach into your pockets whatsoever. Do you understand me? All right, we're going to open up this door. If I see your hands drop for whatever reason, I am going to consider it a threat. Do you understand me?
Has 3374 making contact with us. Also, suspect on 36 in Normandy requesting units not assigned to the perimeter to respond. 36 in Normandy.
Stand by. Do not move.
Hey, slow down, guys, coming south. Left-hand turn. Officer, right in the window. I've got 3 units close to 6 for 8.
As soon as we get the other units, we'll handle it. Do me a favor, guys.
Keep your hands up.
Right here. Do me a favor. We're gonna get these guys out of the car right now first. He's got cover on here. Go ahead. Step out of the car.
All of the units.
Okay, go over here. Okay. Do me a favor. Are you gonna angle off right here? Okay. Sorry, bro. Hey, passenger. I need you to step out of the car. Open the door, step out of the car, don't reach in your pocket.
We have 4 units close to 6 units.
Come towards the front of the car. Come to my partners here. Come towards the front, keep your hands up.
Area 8 has 4 units. Inclusion units only on 310 and Vermont. Archon and Normandy.
All right, let me know.
Archon 36 and Normandy.
You guys good? All right, man, we're gonna do this. Remember what I said. Do not drop your hands to the bottom whatsoever. We will consider it a threat. We want to make sure. We want to make sure you're good. Chill. All right, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready. You want to open?
Roger, I believe I've got these on.
All right, bro, slide your way out. Slide your way out. Do not reach down. Slide your way out as best as you can. Turn around to your stomach and crawl out. That's it. Keep coming out. Watch your path. Keep coming out. Don't reach. Lie flat. Put your hands out at sides. Spread your legs.
Here's 3 is on. We're here with a vehicle on 36 and Normandy. We're speaking with the driver's vehicle and he said that he picked up the suspect at the Volvo spot on 36 and Vermont.
Hey, grab the line.
Roger, give me 1 second while we have a close floor.
All good here? All right.
During the investigation, detectives recovered 2 handguns at the scene. A revolver was found on the sidewalk where one of the suspects threw it, as you saw at the end of the surveillance footage. A semi-automatic pistol was found in the suspect vehicle on the floorboard. On October 20th, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed 6 counts of attempt murder and 2 counts of assault with a deadly weapon against Maxwell.